Welcome to our guide on understanding Docyt Business Mailroom. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docyt account. To access the Business Mailroom, click on Documents in the top menu and choose Mailroom. Use the Docyt app to scan and upload documents directly to the Business Mailroom. Open the Docyt mobile app. Tap the plus button. Select the Mailroom option. Scan and upload your documents one at a time. Managing your inbox. Any documents sent to the custom email address for the Business Mailroom will appear in your inbox. You can easily filter the documents in your inbox based on document status, name, or date range. To upload a new document from your computer, click on the blue plus sign in the upper right corner. Click Select from your computer. Choose the file you want to upload. Once uploaded, the document will appear in your list. Forwarding documents. To forward documents from the Business Mailroom, you have two methods. Method 1. Select a document from the list by clicking the blue checkbox. Click Forward in the upper right corner. A window will appear, allowing you to select the business name and its corresponding modules. Choose the desired business name and module, then click Continue to proceed. Method 2. Click the three dots icon on the right side of the document row. Select Forward from the drop-down menu. Transfer the document to other modules like Accounts Payable, Receipt Box, Business Mailroom, Revenue Center, and Bank Statements. Linking to document requests. To link Business Mailroom documents to requests made by accountants, follow these steps. Click the three dots icon on the right side of the document row. Select Link to Document Request from the drop-down menu. Choose the appropriate request. Click Add Document to Request. A green icon will appear in your Business Mailroom inbox list, confirming the link. And there you have it. You have now learned how to share business documents with ease in Docyt. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.